What's up, guys? Jack here with MTS, assuming everything is working. What's up, guys? How's it going? Thank you, Alex, for understanding that. Yes, that blur is an aesthetic thing. Oh, by the way, I can hit a button and it'll unblur, and then I can blur it again with a button, because wizard status. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so I've had a really weird issue in OBS where it just will not bring in all of my sources, or all of my webcam sources that I have. I'm gonna need to get some headphones here to be able to hear people in just a second. Nice sock windscreen. It's not just a windscreen. It's also helping to hold the microphone in the shock mount. But thank you. Yes, you get a lot of plosives, and I have a lot of compression running on this, so I can get really loud, and my microphone might start being weird, but it's not going to be blasting your ears. Yeah, see? It peaks, but it doesn't actually clip the signal for you guys. So, yeah, this is a USB mic, so I don't exactly have total control over the whole thing. Wish I did. But overall, the AT2020 USB, it's a fine microphone. I'm going to be getting my IEMs in a few minutes. Wait, are you telling me it's still peaking? Oh, do I need to are you guys actually going to make me do this? Okay, give me 1 second. We're going to check audio. Okay. Fine. I'll do it. I'll tune into the stream on my computer here. We're going to see if we're clipping and see what I need to actually do to make changes. This is lovely. This is lovely. How's your day going so far? Why don't you have a SM57s or something? I have a drawer of SM58s. Hang on, I gotta hear this. Oh, YouTube is muted for some reason. Unmute site. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, it doesn't sound. It doesn't sound the greatest. Use your SM57s or SM58s. I don't like the way they sound on my voice, but. Yeah, no, I can swap this mic out. That's not the end of the world. Would you like me to swap my microphone out, guys? Is that something we're doing today? Okay. First off, I will swap out my mic. But yeah, today's the last stream in the current stream area, i.e. my bedroom. Also, this monitor just decided that it wanted to turn off about 5 minutes. Yeah, RE20 or SM7B? Ooh, that's a good question. Electro Voice makes some good stuff, but then again, I don't know. I feel like the SM7B sound is a little bit too well known. So I don't know. I would say maybe spice it up. Go with an RE20. Yeah, I've used both mics. They're both great mics. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get back to my lavalier. But yeah, this is the last stream today in my room as it is. Everything is kind of off of this wall and brought this way, and then I have to clear out my closet today because we're repainting the whole thing. And oh boy, I'm getting notifications. That's no. I guess the new head of broadcast at my church wants me to block out stuff, but he refuses to schedule me for anything. Therefore, why would I block out if you're not going to schedule me? Then again, I am quitting, so who really cares? I have to work on my AP create task, but watching this is more entertaining. Yeah. Hopefully it's a little bit more entertaining. I did get through all of my finals. Okay, so I was really struggling in programming class. I had 2 zeros. One of them, I realized what I did wrong. I was supposed to be dynamically calculating a percentage markup, basic stuff. But so for testing, I was statically setting the amount to markup, so the code didn't work properly. So I just commented out that line and returned in the assignment. I got full credit for that. And then turns out at the end of the semester, your lowest grade gets dropped. So that took care of another one of my zeros. I ended up getting a 93 in that class. That class is the one I was thinking I was going to fail and get like a C in. And that's the only A I got this semester. Well, no, grades for the other half of my classes aren't in yet. But right now I'm looking at an A and 2 Bs. We just have to figure out what the next 3 class grades are. But hang on, let me grab my lav real quick. All right, and you guys get to see how I get wired up here every time I get ready to record. Oh, thank you, Alex. Thanks for the super chat. Wait, did it do the thing? Did it do the thing? Oh, it didn't do the thing. Oh, I'm sorry. Here. That didn't do it. No, where's my... Oh, there. There. I made it do the thing. Give me just a second. Gotta get this mic fired up. Get it fired up down here. And we should be good to... Are we linked up? We're linked up. Properties. In 1 and 2. All right. Now we should be able to ditch this microphone. Is this better? Is this better? Like, I'm actually asking, is this microphone actually better? Oh wait, you guys are at a delay. What's up? What's happening? Okay, seeing as this is the last stream, I just want to have fun with it. Also, well, granted, I've kind of just had fun with all the past few streams. There's nothing serious that's been going on, but oh boy. I was thinking about talking about some political stuff that's happened in the news. In terms of politics, I have my things that I dislike, and my things that I dislike are stupidity, hypocrisy, and being a dumbass. Then again, those are the 3 things that I just hate in life. So, I mean, it's like, I don't care where you sit on a political spectrum. I don't care what your views are, what your politics are, anything like that. Just don't be hypocritical or a dumbass. I mean, that's really how it goes, but oh my gosh. I thought it was pretty funny. Everybody was telling Trump, trust the science, shut down. And then Biden goes, hey, I'm trusting the science, we're opening back up. And then literally the headline read, morbidly obese reporter urges Biden to not follow CDC guidelines and to re-shut down the nation. And I'm like, I'm sorry, what? What's up? Like, that's just stupid. Okay, what was I doing? I was doing something. We were doing something here real quick. I've got Discord notifications. Oh, hang on. If I set my computer's output to the monitor, that should do it. I'm gonna hop in stream chat real quick. Just give me 1 second. Gotta grab the right equipment for that. I just kind of started things today, not really having a plan for anything. But this is also kind of nice because I can move around my room with total freedom, and you guys can still hear me. I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, though, because I don't know. It depends on whether you like hearing my super angelic voice. All right. Got to get my cables. My cable situation is a nightmare here at the new place. Actually, I'm not moving to just one new place. I'm moving to 3 new places. So we're building a barn, or the idea right now is to build a barn dominium. So that's essentially a garage with a big house on top of it, and then have that and rent that out once the house gets built, but then use our house, or move into our house afterwards. So while my parents are in the barn dominium, I don't believe there's gonna be enough space for me, so I'm gonna be moving somewhere. Then the parents are gonna be living in the barn dominium, and then I'm gonna be moving into the barn dominium probably when the house gets built. And it's just, but I'm gonna be using their basement as like my I don't know. I'm just kind of renting all that stuff from my parents right now. We just don't know. Biden also trusts China communists who steal tech, so won't spy on because Trump is so now not banned. Like, I mean, with politics, it's just crybabies on one side, crybabies on the other side. I like to live in the middle where it's just looking at strictly facts, because then it's not room for opinion or anything like that. It's just a room for, or there's literally just what's right and what's wrong. All right, sick. Now I can hear. Hang on, I'm gonna hop into stream chat. Hey.
Hello.
Oh, that didn't work. Voice and video, output device. Testing, can you hear me? Oh wait, there, say something.
Hi.
Oh, well this is lovely. Audio, headphones. There we go. Okay, now say something.
Hi.
Now try it.
Hi.
I got you, man. I got you. I'm gonna mute you now. What's up, guys? Have you looked at Home Assistant? Could be plenty of consulting to do there. Yes, so I've been really wanting to get into more of the Home Assistant kind of technical side of things, especially because you can control Home Assistant through the Stream Decks. So for downstairs at the new place, that's gonna be pretty sick. I plan on having a lot of zone control over lighting, especially because lighting is just the one issue that I keep running into. And to get a semi-decent lighting setup like this, here, I will show you what my lighting looks like without all of this. If I just turn on my ceiling light and then turn off all of my additional lights, this is the look you get. This is my overhead light. It seems bright-ish, but as soon as you fire up all these other lights, you then just realize just how hideous that light is. So, yeah. I've been looking into Home Assistant. I want to do some really cool control stuff. I don't want to have to, I don't want to have to use like a dedicated computer running like Vista or some lighting control software, but it's just one of those things. All right. Oh, use Control 4. Yes, I was taking a look at Control 4, and I was talking with some people that actually deploy Control 4 stuff all the time, and I'm like, that looks incredibly interesting. I want to get into it, but I don't exactly have licensing for any of that stuff. Wait. Oh, I'm trying to find a file here real quick. Sorry, I gotta mute you real quick. Look at that. Okay, gosh, hang on, I'm trying to find a file here real quick that I really need to send to somebody. Nightmare. Yeah, the whole reason Nightmare came up was because we're building it out for a Halloween event that we're getting started on in May for some reason. But no, this is going to be a really big project, so we're just trying to get a jump on this as best as possible. So I have to just grab this track here real quick. I can show you what I have so far if you would like to see that. Yeah, I don't know. Would you guys be interested in seeing some music stuff here on the channel? That's up to you guys in chat. And get you the licensing. Oh, I can train you for that. Ooh, URC. I actually might take you up on that. Are you in the Discord? If you're not, Kush, get in the Discord. Because that's where you can best reach me and where we like to communicate. All right. I don't know if you guys actually care about seeing this track that I'm finishing up here. I'd be happy to show you. Oh boy. We love zooming in Logic, don't we? Because it's just one of those beautiful things. I've been messing around with trying to get to get Logic to actually like handle a lot of processing, like audio processing for me, and then have the ability to essentially recreate waves. That's my goal, is to recreate Waves audio plugins, because they're overpriced as can be. And so the whole idea was to be able to send a channel to my soundboard, use that as like the preamp or whatever, and then send that out to my computer, do further processing there, and then send that back as a return channel. So that was the dumb idea. I don't know. I guess I could do a little something. Oh! Is this the part where I give up in life? I think that is. I think that's the part where I give up in life. Okay, here, I gotta take out my ears. So, right now for that nightmare file, hang on, let me unmute the soundboard. That way you guys can hear this better. Yeah, so that's me drumming, believe it or not on that. Yeah. But if you, oh wait, I don't have the HDMI cable. I don't know, but I figured we might be able to play some guitar. Let's get my guitar up here, my stupid strap. This is my guitar. It sounds like a guitar. I'm not a big guitar guy, so for me it's like, it sounds fine, so I'm gonna use it. But I know that there are probably a lot of people that would give me a hard time for using a Yamaha guitar. Nate, you guys have seen him on the channel before. His like #1 thing that he jokes about is Yamaha not making anything other than pianos. So he calls my dad's Yamaha motorcycle a very nice gas-powered piano, and I'm like, oh boy, okay, we're getting to that point in our life. Let's see the nightmare file. All right, I guess I'll do a little mini concert for you guys. Find my, oh. I need to fix the bridge on this guitar, because this sounds awful right now. But hopefully with enough processing in Logic, and if I enable the pedal board, enable amp, and give me some EQ and a little bit of compression. And now, if we go, okay, that's sounding a lot better. Yeah, no sound. You guys can, okay, so the way it's set up is you guys can't hear it unless I'm in record mode. So I hear the clean guitar feed. So yeah, that's just kind of how things are set up. What's up? Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's just one of those things that's like, if I think about performing in front of people, I'm used to being the guy behind the scenes. Okay, here we go. You guys should be able to hear once I start playing it here. It's your fucking nightmare.
fucking nightmare.
Sorry, kind of being an idiot over.
Or you'll end up like the others. Die again, drenched in sand, with no respect for another. Feel the fire, feel the hate. Your pain is what we desire. Lost, hit the wall.
Okay, people say my audio keeps cutting out. Oh, what's up? Sounds great now. I have a line 6 UX2. I don't actually remember the UX2. What are the chances of me failing on terminating my cable given that I've failed like 5 times already? Oof. Okay, let's see. How did that recording turn out? I don't actually, hang on. We're gonna redo that. We're gonna redo this. We're gonna redo this. All right. Put you into record mode. Nope. OBS, or not OBS, Logic. I'm so used to OBS being the butthole that, okay.
It's your fucking nightmare.
That was so much better.
With no respect for another. Feel the fire, feel the hate.
That was so much better. That was so much better. That was so much better. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a recording that I could actually use. Oh gosh, get my guitar off of me. Okay, here. We gotta listen back to just our wonderful guitar work. Ooh, not a fan of the processing. I hate the sound of dirty guitars. Oh, that's not how I think that. That's better. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Yeah, no, so I have to play through that whole song. I'm essentially trying to build tracks for the song, because the idea is to have full band, everything. It's gonna be this big, crazy, freaking masterpiece of the whole thing, time coded out. I mean, it's this is not gonna be any joke of a production. So, yeah. Also, on the topic of music, for I don't know, pretty much since the 2021 Unify Setup Guide, I pretty much settled on Harris Heller's Call Me Daddy as like the MTS theme song. And so I was watching his channel and I heard it. He used it as an intro song. And I'm like, wait, that's my song. And then I was like, wait, no, he wrote it. I think he has the rights to use it. But I've always been very strategic with how much of it I get to play, because it gets very, I mean, it's this is the song. It's nice. Share your screen and take a look at the URC systems. Do I actually? Share your screen. Sick. I'll share my screen. Here you go. This is my screen. Yeah. So, Call Me Daddy gets very fluty and piano-like, or not piano-like, but I don't know, more Japan than my vibes for the channel. Basically, I wanted to get rid of all that flute stuff, so I hacked up the song last night, and this is what I've been working on. Oh, that's not right. Can I just come into OBS and tell it that my camera is 1080p? No, I can't. I'm not touching it. It took me so long to get all of these cameras and everything working in OBS. Fun fact, OBS doesn't like to use all of my sources. There's something about the effects or something in this scene collection that causes OBS to only load up a few of my Camlink inputs, so it doesn't work all the time. But yeah, if you look at what my actual camera is, I can move it around to like my laptop because I'm using the multi-view. Yeah, no, so that's just a dumb little thing. But yeah, so if I come back to my laptop here, I essentially stripped out all of the fluty stuff, duplicated the main pattern here a bunch, added in an all aboard. This stuff I'm still not fully convinced I'm going to use. And everything down here still needs some polish, but yeah, so this is the whole idea with it though. Crop your webcam source where it was broken. No, because that'll ruin my crop. Normally, I don't use the Camlink multicam view. I'm just using it right now, so it's creating a 4K source instead of the regular 1080p one. So if I adjust the crop now, it'll then get broken when I go back to using it the right way once I can take a look and figure out what's actually wrong with my OBS setup, because it's just a mess. Like, it's not fun. But yeah, so that was kind of my idea for a new, just kind of fixing up that song. I still have a lot of polishing work to do on it, but hopefully the next video I do, won't be in this space, and hopefully I'll have the new song done. So yeah, this is a lot of lasts. Like, I'm done with school, well, at least, you know, for this year. Graduate or finished my freshman year of college, quit my job. I'm producing videos that are getting like 0 views, and I'm moving. So we've got a lot of stuff going on, along with the new song. So yeah, we've got a lot of stuff going on. Take a look at how the system is Okay, what am I looking at? Tell me again, because I'm too stupid to remember. FF split? Oh boy. This looks like a really crappy version of OBS. This looks like a crappy version of if OBS and yeah, this looks like this F split looks like if OBS and vMix had a really just ugly kid. I mean, that's hideous. Like ugh. I don't know. I might download it, take a look at it, see what it can do. URC is what I'm supposed to be looking at. URC. Oh, I swear if it's porn. URC automation. Okay, good. You know, I didn't know if like a different link was going to be like the first link or something. I don't know. You can never be too safe on the internet these days. Okay, so URC Smart Home Control. Oh, wow. Okay, so my laptop screen is 16 by 10. And so with all of this stuff here, with the crap that it's doing to display it to you guys, and all of this, and then this, I have a very large portion of my screen real estate that's not being used. Products. All right, let's take a look at products. That's how I pretty much determine whether a company is worth their anything, basically. Is a premium automation and control thing with a website that's not loading. Got it. Sick. Cool. Honestly, it's interesting. If it could work with the Stream Deck, that'd be sick. Processors and base stations, distributed audio. I like distributed audio for the new place. I want to do a lot with audio. Press residential. But I like doing I like doing what's used in the commercial spaces and doing it in my home. I'm running Dante at my desk here. So, oh yeah, that's how you were hearing all the audio is I'm splitting it over Dante. And that's probably why you were getting some audio crackles, because I'm running out at 44.1 instead of Dante's preferred 48 kilohertz. Beyond every day, imagine your smart home customized to fit and enhance your life. I want my smart home to be customized to enhance and fit my life. I messed that up, but either way, I want it. I like touchscreens. I like it that it's not just running on a freaking iPad. Ooh, I'm a sucker for remotes like this. I'm a sucker for that. Because what I really like to do is have some buttons on a remote, because I mean, it's like, it's moving. I'm not touching it, and it's moving. Yeah, because what I really like to do is what caught my attention was the Harmony remote. Which one was it? I think it was just the cheap one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was one of these guys where you could use some of these buttons down here, and you had like lighting control buttons. So I really liked the idea of this. Aw. Remember when HTC made competent phones? Yeah, no, I was thinking about doing something like this, but for me, oh, again, it's one of those things where it's like, do I want to go through all the effort of setting it up? Because at some point I will forget I have it. That's to me has been all the smart home stuff, all of the everything has been, if it's out of sight, like I'm controlling it with, you know, Google Home or with my voice, it becomes an out of sight, out of mind. I have ADHD and stuff. So I have rebought things that I have that I just didn't remember that I have because they're not like in my direct line of sight. That's one of the reasons why like whatever my workspace is has to be a mess, because I need to see everything. It's just how I am. So are we back? Boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is not going well. This is not going well, although welcome to my life. Okay, we're back. We're back. We're officially back. I'm gonna turn off this DSK here. All right. Oh, I love how as soon as like my stream crashes, even if I say like I'll be right back, everybody's just like, all right, I'm out. Love that. All right, cool. So yeah, my computer's. Oh, my screen came back though. I guess that's a good thing. But here's what it'll do. So I figured I'd show you now because now it's doing it. Oh, I have a really cool stream macro which will start up all the software that I use from the stream. It glitches out though for you guys because, you know, user account control stuff pops up. But yeah, so if I come over here and show you guys my screen. That's the wrong screen. Why? Okay, cool. Move it to this monitor. We have the main camera source. Hi, that's me. Then we have the game capture source. That's on the Camlink Pro as well. My laptop is on the Camlink Pro, and then Portacam is on the Camlink Pro, but it doesn't. Again, it's like one of the devices will just not work. I can rarely get everything in OBS to just work. So yeah, that's one of the things that I'm gonna have to take a look at. I don't mind programming and setting up a bespoke URC system for you as well as training you. I would. Yeah, man, hop in the Discord. Hop in the Discord, seriously. Oh, that could be fun. That could be fun. We could, that could be a cool series on the channel. I have a lot, okay, hang on. Notes. I figured we would take a look at, what? Notes, yeah, notes. I figured we could take a look at just some of my video ideas that I have right now. Things that are in the queue. Some ingenious stuff. Dante explained. That's an in-progress video on an access point that's not released yet. Behind the scenes of my live stream, although pretty much my live stream is kind of the behind the scenes of my live stream. Building a server, side of the road edition. So the idea for that one would be essentially we're out in a car or something, and we're driving down the road and we see a computer on the side of the road. We pick it up and turn it into a server. That was the idea for that. I thought we could have we could make a lot of good jokes with that. Some more PFSense stuff. People seem to really like the PFSense content. Powering everything with PoE. Yes. Okay. I bought this thing from TP-Link. Although, can we talk about how crappy they wrapped it? Like, this is just, like, this is how it came to me. I haven't taken off the plastic or anything yet. I mean, I know it was only $10, but still, it's like, that just seems like there's so many better ways to do that. Yeah, essentially, this is a PoE splitter, or PoE extractor. So you can, you give it a PoE signal, and then you can change whether you want it to output 12, 9, or 5 volts over a DC output jack. And then they also have a LAN out so you can get the data as well. I wanted these because the VR cameras, or not the cameras, but the lighthouses for VR in my basement, all of those, right now I have the power adapters set up in a weird way. So I'm actually using Ethernet as the power wiring for it. I'm using the orange and orange stripe Ethernet. And so with that, it almost blends into the ceiling because one of them is right up by a light fixture. So you really can't see the wires, and it just kind of goes into the wall and hides. But instead of having to go, recollect my power supplies every time I want to travel with VR, because I'm a weird person that travels with a full-on HTC Vive system, basically I wanted to use these guys so I could power the base stations off of PoE, and it works for that. Although it's a 1 amp output, and I tried to power up this camera with it, but that was way too much power. I mean, I was asking it to work, and the camera would like flash the screen for a split second and then just shut off. It also couldn't power my Ninja. I mean, it's 12 volts at 1 amp, but it's like barely 12 volts at 1 amp. Some stuff with upgrading to macOS Big Sur. I feel like I've already done that, so we can ditch that. Using a Raspberry Pi as a speed test device. Okay, so I have a fleet of Raspberry Pis that I set up. And this fleet of Raspberry Pis all runs, they're all essentially just a blank Ubuntu installation with iPerf and stuff. And so using Ansible, they essentially have a Wi-Fi network that they're always looking to connect to. So whenever I'm building out a network for a client, what I'll do is I'll deploy these Raspberry Pis kind of all over their place, and then I will just change their Wi-Fi network name to, my testing network, which is what all the Pis are looking for. And then through Ansible, I can control it all from my laptop. So I can just tell them all to run a speed test, and we can test throughput in different rooms one at a time. We can do throughput testing as a whole. So it's just, hey, if we have a bunch of clients hitting this stuff at once, what's the load look like? But yeah, I thought I'd make a video about that. Trying Pi-hole with a bunch of different routers. I want to build a MikroTik router. I've already done that once, but figured we can make a video about that. There's a business that wants me to set up some cameras for them. Thought we could make a video about that. How to start up an IT business. I thought that could be an interesting series. Then messing with the scammer guy on my channel. And then okay, so with my new iPad coming in, I really want to try streaming from an iPad. I think it could be sick. Using NDI, you don't even need a capture card for anything. So if I could have a few phones set up running the NDI cam, and then essentially have like a version of OBS for an iPad that just takes in NDI sources. Excuse me. I could be able to, do a full-on live stream, but from anywhere. Yeah. Oh, and then the switch rack was another thing. You guys can't see it, but my rack now has a lot of switches in it. Although my Cisco switch is too deep for it to actually fit in there, so that's kind of fun. Also, I've been making some making some accessories for AirTags. We've been messing around with my 3D printer a lot. Oh yeah, and also a video about using an iPad as another monitor. Although I found that any video I make, even if it's related to tech, if it's not IT, it gets like no views. So if I go to my channel, I'm just gonna go to here we go, my channel. If we look at my last few videos, the fixing the new iMac video that I just released, 184 views. That's kind of pathetic. The Camlink Pro video got 386 views. How many access points do you need? Again, this is just kind of proving my theory. That got 1.8K. And adding 10 gig networking to a mini PC, that one got 647 views, so not great. And then my ride-alongs don't do well, but everything IT related does great. It's like I don't want to just be an IT channel. Ayo, hold up. Why is this the last stream? Yeah, it's the last stream here before I move. So, yeah, we're tearing down the closet. Like, I'm going to be getting ready to stage my room. So my bed is currently pressed up in the corner against the wall. If I go to the... And, of course, the wide camera's not working, because why would that work? Okay, yeah, no. So my wide camera's not showing up, but if that was showing up, you would see that my bed is pressed into the corner of my room to make it feel as big as possible. So I'm going to be having to redo the orientation of all my furniture, just pulling everything out of the closet. It's going to be a very interesting process. Oh, and I need to have all of that done by the end of the day tomorrow. So it's going to be a fun time. I've been buying up storage bins and everything, so we're just trying to get everything out of my room so that way it looks presentable to the masses, is what I'll say. We need to talk about the URC system. If you're going to get it in the new house, we can make a video collab as well as me training you. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, no, it's just... the idea is to have the barn dominium built in a month and a half, I believe. So if that gets built in a month and a half, well then, we'll have a place to go, and I'll network that, and then I'll just run conduit tying, its network into the network at the main house. And I don't know whether I'll use the same router for that, or that'll be its own, I don't know. What I'm thinking about doing right now is WAN coming in. I'm not even going to say that because it's just stupid. No, they'll probably have their own router, and then I will have a dedicated network that's just passed through. But I do have multiple IP addresses. I have a block of them, so I should be good to go with that. Yeah, use fiber between the buildings. Yes, I plan on running fiber and running some copper signals, although the copper signals, because of, lightning and all that stuff, jump into a tree, go into the pipe, blowing out everything. Whenever I do copper between buildings, what I'll do is, because the copper signal is nice if you need to have a dedicated device that you just want a direct connection to. I'll put fiber media converters on either end of the copper device. So usually it'll be if I have like a camera going somewhere like remote and it's outside, I still want it to be powered with PoE from the main area, but I essentially need my own optocoupler for making sure that it has lightning protection. So yeah, I just use the little StarTech. Hang on, can I pull it up? StarTech fiber to RJ45. Oh, it's not the StarTech ones that I'm using. Is it the StarTech ones I'm using? Yeah, it's the StarTech ones I'm using. Yeah, usually it's not this one though, because this one's incredibly expensive. But here, let's fire up the laptop, get this in here. But yeah, not these ones, but something similar. So, you have your fiber, this is where it would connect to my switch, and this is where it would, send out. Usually this would run into a PoE injector first. But yeah, no, so that just really helps to make sure that I can still have direct connections to things that need them. WAN going into a switch isn't stupid. No, WAN going into a switch isn't stupid, but WAN going into a switch to then split it out to multiple things, no, see, my idea was very dumb. Unified building bridge. Yeah, right. Okay. No, for most clients or anything like that, I'd be super down to use something like that. It's just for me, I want direct lines and I want all of the speed. So for me, a building to building bridge or anything similar is not something that I would probably do if I could avoid it. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. I don't really know what I want to do right now, but I want to do something to distract me from the fact that I have to then tackle, all of that. That's a mess. That's a big mess that I don't want to have to deal with, but I do have to deal with it. So, yeah. Oh, I should fire up Discord again. Discord says it's starting. Check my Instagram. It has the system, the URC system on it. All right, sick. What's your Instagram? I don't know it. Can waste time, lol. Yeah, I'm at a point in my life where I can waste time. It's great. Yeah, seriously, Kush, are you in the Discord? Alex, would you mind posting a link to the Discord in here? Oh, it's not liking any of this. Instagram. Thank you. I used to spell Instagram wrong every time, like an and. I can't do that. Sick. I guess I'm busting out my phone, wherever that is. I'm in it. Sick. My new boss, because my old bosses, who were absolutely fantastic people, were let go. There's an event on Thursday. Would you be able to help with that? It's a memorial. Funerals are one of those. Funerals are one of those things where it's like I have a very hard time turning down, but at the same time, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Oh, Alex, that's supposed to be dude. autocorrect sucks because I'm an idiot. Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I want to find something that we can all do together as a group. That's wholesome, family-friendly content. Doesn't have to be content. Just has to be something to get my mind off of working. Craft services. I'm still trying to find that. Craft services. It's just D. 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 Okay. My thing, okay. Question. How are you guys finding my oh, you guys just search Jack Miller on Instagram, don't you? Is that how you find my Instagram? Jackbox Party Pack. We could play. Yeah, okay. No. So my Instagram is like just my personal Instagram. Oh no, it's a good time though. It's a good time. It's a vibe. All right, sick. We're gonna ditch the laptop, ditch all this stuff, and we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna do something fun for the next hour before I go and actually get to work. So if you guys would give me just 1 second, I'm gonna refill my glass of water. Alex, what are some cool games? What are some sick games? Like the fattest of games. Actually, I'll just leave my Steam open for you guys. Here you go. Why is my, I don't get why the Jack screen source is so wrong, but it's never been accurate. There you go. You guys can look at my Steam, figure out something that we can all do. All right, I'm back. Sick. What's up, guys? How we doing? Did we settle on something? Accept my request. Oh, Minesweeper. No. Accept my request. No. Sorry. It's my personal Instagram. I don't have anything MTS or like that related on there. Why is this monitor just like lagging like crazy? Because this is not as clean as it normally is. What's up? We got sound, we got video, we got it all right now, boys. I do need to change my capture card settings here real quick. So we're gonna see if this breaks it. So you guys are watching my face cam right now. Let me know if it dies. Okay, we need to open the settings. We need to change this to full screen. Apply. Okay. See, we got, this is weird, but if we go to camera source, change this, properties, we can probably do 1080p. Sick, look at that, I fixed it. Boom, and now I can do screen with camera. Boom. All right, play some Minecraft. Do you want to play Minecraft with us? Nice shot of your ear. Oh, yes, thank you. We're big fans of the ear here at MTS. I need to find a new church to work at. Church work is, okay, like without getting into the religious side of things, church work is just incredibly entertaining. Like you never have a dull moment with doing it. I was doing tech for a retreat, but I was also, engaging and participating. And during one of the small group sessions, a kid had brought along a fat vape mod, and it fell out of his pocket, and everybody saw, well, everybody in that group at least, I was in that group, and he just like reached down, picked it up, put it back in his pocket, and nobody acknowledged it. Nobody acknowledged it, and I'm like, okay, cool, I guess that's what's up. Welcome to church, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, at the new place, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, guys. I want to be able to stream VR. Yeah, streaming VR. I want to be able to test VR stuff. I don't know. I don't want to be just a regular, just an IT. Like, I don't want to fall into the same group as Cody and Chris. I mean, they're great people, but I want to do more with tech. Minecraft, I can't play. I'm meant to be working. Aren't we all meant to be working? I don't know. I'm down to play some Minecraft. Alex, are you tired out of Minecraft yet? I was thinking about doing an MTS Minecraft, server, but I'm like, that has the potential to be horribly wrong. So, I don't know. TF2, who do I know? Oh, of course, Nathan's playing TF2. I'm kind of tempted to just join Nate's TF2 game and see if he gets in Discord, because that could be funny. Alex! Stop working. Stop working. Oh, the DSK works. What else do we got going on? I don't know. I'm thinking about hopping into... Just Cause... You know what? I'm going to go back and play some Just Cause 3. It's been so freaking long, man. Ugh. Cody's online. Oh, wait. Sick. All right, we got games here. Wait, advanced audio properties, desktop, monitor, and output. Oh, I'm already hearing it in my ears. Haha, sick. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have really played Just Cause, but Just Cause 3 for me, one of my favorite games. It's just one of those games that you can just sink hours into. Is that the game or real life? That's the game. That's the game, man. I mean, this game is absolutely gorgeous. There's very few flaws you can find with it, except for when, you glitch through a building or blow some stuff up. It's fun. This game is just... There's a multiplayer mod for it, so if anybody... Dang it! So if anybody else has it, we could play. Also, I love the fact that my taskbar is showing up over top of the gameplay. I heard thunder, but it was so clear. Oh. I don't think there's any thunder happening. Oh yeah, Jordan, or not Jordan, Alex, you're still in school, aren't you? Like, you're still in class. One problem with this game is that it takes for freaking ever to load. Continue. Oh, I'm not in class. I just have work due tonight. Oh. What works to? Okay, so what's that AP project? Is that AP like the advanced placement classes at school, or like a work thing with like actual access points?
Best idea I've had all day.
Ah, Just Cause 3. What a beautiful game. Let's try and change some of my settings though, so that way it stops being weird. Anastrophical level. Let's not put that at 16x. Full screen, no. Enable vertical sync. Yep, very high, very high, very high. Motion blur off. Beautiful. Depth of field, turn that off because that's annoying. Yep. Alright, sick. It's for AP Computer Science. Oh, I'm gonna do that and come back. Yeah, yeah. Oh gosh, school sucks. We were talking last night about college and everything, and it's... I'm just gonna let that just happen. And he gets up and survives. Survive this, bud. And he will. Like, I mean, this dude's just durable. Like, what's up? Why is my frame rate just tanking, though? Like, okay, so to me, this game is almost as fun. Like, GTA and Just Cause, to me, are very similar, except for you can do a lot of, there are a lot more things you can do in GTA, but at the same time, there's, you know, it's a lot of picking and choosing, and when I want to just zone out and just play and do stupid stuff, this is the game I choose. And game froze. Oh, okay, okay. We're gonna change this to full screen. I don't plan on doing this for very long. What's going on, guys? What's new? What are some things that I need to be... Oh, there's my frame rate. Yay, it came back. I think it's tanking though for the stream. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. It's for AP Computer Science. Alex, what AP Computer Science project are you working on? Because computer science can be fun. We're gonna go down here to the city. Actually, you know what? We can just show the game. That's the wrong input source. Jack screen. Haha. I'm a streamer. I'm not actually a streamer. I was thinking about streaming on Twitch, but I figured who would watch me? Yeah, I don't know. I want to get... Okay. Lucas started a full-time job recently. So typically, when I need content or something to do, I go and you know, pick him up. But now that he's working full-time, I can't exactly do that anymore. Okay, we're gonna reoppress the city. No. Is it tab? It's tab. Tab's the control for this. We're gonna reoppress. I love that it makes me fast travel. Like, that's just kind of annoying. Dang it! Alright. Let's go in here and let's just, you know, kill everybody, because that's pretty much what we do. Because somehow this doesn't kill me. Oh, hi. How are you all doing? Can I interest you in some lead? That worked. Yeah, call for backup. Do it, bud. Have fun. Have fun with that. Okay. Oh, Q. Sorry. Hang on. We gotta put some explosives here first. Jump back here. Blow that up. Zero care is given for the police. Oh gosh, that could be taken out of context. No, respect the police, everybody. but not an oppressive government like this game is. Oh gosh, what am I saying? I just need to stop talking. Oh, okay. We can't disable the monitors yet because I still have a wanted level. Maybe I should have thought about that. Blow that up. Sick.
Initializing search protocol. Find the target as soon as possible. All units, find the rebel. Pursue aggressively.
Oh, Jordan's not in chat anymore, is he? No, he must have left. All right, yeah, probably to go work on his project. Yep, let's just jump right in here, blow this up. Sick, and I'm out. Bye.
We are sending naval support to your location.
Blow all that up. Sick.
Patch.
We've only got one
Still at
more.
large. Find him.
One more speaker tower. Boom. Oh, who's shooting at me? What's happening?
Choppers are in.
Oh, we got some baddies over here. All right, cool. All right. Ooh, helicopter. Helicopter. What's up? Thanks. You belong to me now. Whee! Just blow it all up. That's the solution I take in life.
Oh, sorry about that.
All right, and blow up all that stuff. Sick. Ooh, DiRavello billboard.
More forces en route to your position.
Ooh,
Eliminate
we've got
the target now.
some people shooting at me. Where are they coming from? I don't know where they're coming from, but oh, we've got another billboard over here. Sick, and we're gonna come back around. I saw the other billboard. Oh. Yeah, that should be the other billboard. All right. Spin us back around here. All right, took that helicopter down. Oh, I need my helicopter for wreak havoc. So let's just try and get it over here. All right, that didn't exactly work out in our favor, but we can still, use some other options. Ooh, there's another helicopter, right? That's usually what the targeting reticle on the ground
Be
means.
advised that chopper support.
Reticle is reticle the right word to use if it's on the ground? Oh, sick! Thanks, another helicopter.
Rising a tactical response team at your position.
I feel like somebody shooting at a base with missiles just on its own would, maximize the wreak havoc level, but it didn't. Okay, we are already out of this helicopter and on to our next one. That's fine. We've got plenty of helicopters.
Sending air support to your location.
Ooh, air support, yay. That's what I want. What's up, Diamond? You're back. What's up, bud? All right, sick. They said they were sending naval support, so honestly, instead of wreaking havoc right now, which I'm sure I could just finish up by just... Oh my gosh! What are they shooting at me with where it's like one shot almost takes down my entire helicopter?
This is dispatch. Tanks inbound.
We are maximum wanted level. They really don't like us now, do they?
Secure. Heavy support inbound. Handle it.
And blow all that up. Sick. Okay. Hey, what's up, my dude? Where are you shooting at me from? Ooh. I made you mad, didn't I? Thank you. Please leave my helicopter. Oh, got that one. All right, we're coming back around. We're coming back around. Lower me down.
We've lost visual contact. All units, fan out and search.
Do I still need to let the rebels in if I've literally blown up every other wall? I feel like they don't need to come in the front door anymore. All right. And sick. We let the rebels in. All right, cool. Apparently I'm in view of the authorities. That's fine. Let's just come over here. Oh, what's the key I can hold to oh, it's middle mouse button. Oh yeah, middle mouse button. No more aim assist. That's an unlock you can get from doing missions. Oh, that's a freaking tank shooting at me. Let's not take that on just right now.
All available units to these coordinates. Repeat, all units to these coordinates.
Hello. How are you doing? Boom. Blow that up. Sick. Oh, pfft. I don't think they thought that would work the way they tried that. All right. Buenos dias.
Locate the rebel immediately. Do not
Oh, I
let
still have
him
another
escape.
billboard. I want to go find it in a helicopter. But at the same time, do I want to wait around for that? No. See, like this is a nice house. You know, we're gonna do some house hunting in the game real quick, just you know, while we're playing. You know, this fence wall work, I very much like that. This front of this is hideous. This isn't a house. That's not a house. That's an office building. All right, sick, cool. We just proved that I don't know what I'm talking about with real estate. Oh yeah. All right.
Unable to locate target.
Guess I'm no longer
Terminate
wanted.
search.
We just got to find that last billboard, or do I want to do monitors first? I don't know. Do I want to do monitors first while I still have... Yeah, do I want to do monitors while I'm still not wanted? I think that would be the smart thing. Found the billboard. All right, sick. Oh, no. One. Give me. And just take me to the top. Hello. And this is what we do. So right now we just kind of hide here until, you know, the baddies can't find us anymore. Oh, they tried to throw a grenade at me. Buddy, that's not gonna work out for you.
Target is at large. Re-establish visual contact immediately.
Reinforcements.
Man, being able to turn off aim assist in this game is so useful.
Sending additional reinforcements to your location.
I should probably stop shooting them, and that way, you know, they don't keep wanting to find me and just go hide, but that's not as much fun.
Dispatch. Target is still at large.
I gave up on the cables, so now I'm making a website. Okay, I learned to make Ethernet by getting some old scraps of cable that we had just taken out at one of my churches. And I came in there, I brought my own connectors and everything, and I was just kind of using their tools. And our technical director walked in. And there's cable everywhere, it's a mess. And he goes, "What are you doing?" And I go, "What does it look like I'm doing? I'm failing at making Ethernet over here." And he just started dying laughing. And I'm like, oh, that was pretty good.
Stay alert.
But I got it. I got the hang of it. And now I can make Ethernet no problem. Let's get up here to this monitor device. And disable that. Sick. Where's the another one? Okay, and come right over here. Got a minute and 10 seconds to disable all of them. That shouldn't be... Oh, that's lovely. I love how it's floating there. It really completes the aesthetic. What website are you making, Diamond? Oh, we got a lot more over here. All right. Still shouldn't be a problem. Disable the monitor. I feel like they should get some notification for this and be able to like remotely reactivate them. Because I know if I was an oppressive dictator, I would probably not just put an off button on my stuff. That's just me. That's just me. I don't have much experience in being an oppressive dictator, but if I was... Ooh, the Thunderbird. Okay, so I feel like you guys need to see this weapon. This weapon, if you haven't seen it yet, is... Well, wait, is this the one that I'm thinking of? Oh. This is not the weapon I was thinking of. Never mind, this one's kind of dumb. Okay, just
All units, we have reports of violence.
die, please. Thank you.
HQ, we have boats en route to your location.
Whee!
All units, find the rebel. Pursue aggressively.
Okay, they have boats on the way to my location. Great. I'm not sure what that's gonna do because I'm on land, but I could also go take out their boats. That could be fun. So we're just gonna swim over there. Swimming, 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 having fun. It's all good. Hello. Oh. Okay, I died a little bit. You know what? It's one of those things where it's just, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I don't know. Whee! All I have to do is raise the flag. One for a school project because I thought it would stand out instead of a PowerPoint. Okay, so for PowerPoints in school, I used to never make them in PowerPoint because I was like so unfamiliar with it. You know, like the more businessy consumer type things. So I would always make my stuff in Photoshop and then export that all out and then just put them in as slide images. So that's how I did all of my presentations. And so my teachers would be like, Jack, you have nothing in your presentation? And then like in 2 minutes, like my presentation would be, filled because I was working on the stuff in Photoshop. Yeah, so that was fun. I just used Prezi back when that was a thing. Oh my gosh, Prezi. I remember, so one of my friends, Jessica, she did a project and it was she had it on her laptop and I saw all the transitions and the circles and everything and I'm like, what is this? Because it was like the coolest thing I'd ever seen. And then I looked it up and it was Prezi. So yeah, Prezi's dope. ProPresenter is not terrible. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back here. No, I didn't BSOD again. OBS was just having some tantrum issues, so it decided, hey, I'm gonna crash real quick. We'll be right back. You're good, I'm good, but I'm just gonna go ahead and die. So yeah, no, I just need to restart OBS. I had to force quit it, and then Windows is like, hang on, while we look for a solution to this problem. And I'm like, when has that ever worked? Seriously, when have you ever used Windows' built-in like problem-solving thing and had it work? Like I've never had that happen. Reinstall Windows, I did reinstall Windows. It's not a fresh installation, but it should have cleared out all my old drivers. If not, I need to it's really the drivers that are the big thing for me. Because I probably still have, if all my drivers didn't get cleared out, I probably still have drivers from, oh, let's not go down the hill. I probably still have drivers from Z970 or Z97. Yeah, I've still got a lot of old stuff on this computer, so yeah. Also, I'm using, give me 1 second here. Okay, so I just changed my encoder real quick over to NVENC instead of whatchamacallit, the QuickSync, because for some reason QuickSync wasn't working. Oh, hijack. That means blow up, right? I can blow that up, right? Mm-hmm.
Threat level. Here we go.
Bye. Oh. Oh, they had an innocent person on board. Oh, I missed that part.
We lost him. Report.
Yeah, that's something I missed. Yeah, I don't know why I'm getting weird frame drop issues with OBS. Well, it's not dropping frames, it's just not... It's like my computer can't keep up. Let's see what Task Manager has to say. Now it should be, yeah, should be maxing out OBS because this is a windowed. Okay. I feel like we need to talk about Windows and how it processes and handles its priorities. So in Windows, if it's on a screen, it gets your GPU resources. If it's full screen, it gets more GPU resources. And it prioritizes things in a weird way. So when I have a game full screen, it takes all the CPU resources and pretty much prioritizes that game. So OBS struggles, even though I'm using the QuickSync encoder. And even when I'm using the just X264, NVENC or anything like that, as soon as you get a game full screen, it starts giving that all of its resources, or all of your computer's resources. So we start getting into some weird issues with things here. But yeah, no, once I quit out of a game or stop doing stupid stuff, it'll start working again. Okay. I think we streamed for long enough today, and I think I've avoided enough work. I've got... This will probably be a till midnight job, cleaning everything else up. You should see the basement right now. I think I'll post some pictures to Twitter. Yeah, we're getting everything cleaned up. Everything's getting back in its storage box. Everything's going into storage boxes. We've got just... It's a mess. It's chaotic, but it's the process of moving. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this stream, I guess give it a like, even though we had some issues. I can't wait till I actually have a stream operator and I don't have to focus on all of these technical issues. And I can build a dedicated streaming computer that won't frickin' blue screen when I'm streaming. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. Hit subscribe if you're not already. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, crap. What? What's oh boy. Okay. We're gonna try this.